Ever wondered why so many Canadian crypto investors lean toward Newton when it's time to pick up some Ethereum? After moving my own portfolio through several different platforms, I found that the best method isn't just about clicking a buy button, it's about avoiding the hidden leaks in your capital. The process starts with the most efficient funding route, the Interac e-transfer. While wire transfers are available for large sums, e-transfers on Newton are typically processed within minutes and, more importantly, they carry zero deposit fees. Once your CAD lands in your account, you aren't looking for a complex trading terminal. Instead, you'll use the trade function. Now, here's where the strategy matters. When you're buying Ethereum, you'll see a price spread, usually between 1% and 1.2%. To get the best fill, I've found it's more effective to use the limit order feature rather than a market buy. By setting a limit order just slightly below the current ask, you can often save on that spread and ensure you aren't buying at a momentary peak. Once the trade executes, your Ethereum is sitting in your Newton account. But if you're like me and prioritize security, the final step of the best method is moving those assets. Newton covers the first $5 of network fees for withdrawals. This is a massive advantage. I take advantage of this by batching my purchases and then withdrawing to a hardware wallet, essentially letting Newton pay for my transition to cold storage. It's a three-pillar system: fund for free via e-transfer, use limit orders to shave down the spread, and utilize the covered gas fees to move your ETH to a secure wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.